Welcome back to World Tech Guide, where we explore the tech and trends shaping our everyday lives. You might think you know where all your everyday products come from, but here's a surprise. Many of the items you use daily are made in China. From the gadgets in your hand to the essentials in your home, China's manufacturing influence is everywhere. Today, we read diving into the top 10 everyday products Americans didn't he know were made in China. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll see the world in a whole new way. Number 10, smartphones and accessories. Let's kick things off with something most of us can't live without: smartphones. While companies like Apple and Samsung are known for their sleek designs, the reality is a huge chunk of your phone's assembly happens in China. Foxconn, one of the largest Chinese manufacturers, is responsible for producing millions of phones each year for these major brands. And it's not just the phone itself: chargers, cases, even earbuds are often made in Chinese factories. In fact, over 70% of the world's smartphones are produced in China. So, next time you pick up your phone, take a moment to appreciate the global effort behind it. Number 9. LED light bulbs. This might surprise you. LED light bulbs. These little energy-saving wonders, the majority of them come from China. From the basic bulbs you've ever placed in your lamps to the high-tech smart lighting systems like Philips Hue, China is the powerhouse behind over 80% of the world's LED production. Cities like Guangzhou lead the way in lighting manufacturing, producing everything from simple bulbs to advanced smart lighting options. So, the next time you flick a switch, you might want to thank China for illuminating your home. Number 8. Laptops and computers. Whether it's a Dell, HP, or Lenovo, the odds are high that your device was assembled in China. Major electronics factories in Shenzhen and Shanghai produce and assemble the components for these global brands. Even though many laptops are designed in the US or Europe, the assembled in China label is almost always there. In fact, China accounted for over 90% of global laptop production in 2024, so the next time you're working from home, you have China to thank for that device. Number 7. Kitchen appliances. Your toaster, blender, or even your air fryer might have an American brand name, but most of these kitchen gadgets are made in China. Brands like KitchenAid and Cuisinart, known for their high-quality appliances, often outsource their production to Chinese factories. China exports around $400 billion worth of machinery and appliances annually, including the small gadgets we use to make our morning coffee or blend a smoothie. Next time you're making breakfast, take a look around. You might find made in China more often than you think. Number 6. Toys and games. If you have kids, chances are the toys they play with are made in China. From Barbie dolls to Hot Wheels, even your favorite board games, over 80% of toys sold in the US come from Chinese factories. The Guangdong province in China is a major manufacturing hub for toys, producing products for iconic American brands like Mattel and Hasbro. So, the next time your child unwraps a gift, they might just be playing with something crafted thousands of miles away. Number 5. It is a bit more technical: consumer electronics components. Ever wonder what's inside your gadgets? The tiny circuit boards, semiconductors, and chips that power everything from smartphones to televisions are often made in China. While some of these components come from places like Taiwan and South Korea, China produces a huge share of them, over $700 billion worth in 2024 alone. Even if your device was assembled somewhere else, its core components were likely sourced from Chinese factories. Number 4. Home decor and lighting. Next time you're browsing for new decor at stores like Home Goods or Hobby Lobby, take a closer look. The chances are that much of what you find, whether it's a trendy lamp, a wall painting, or a decorative vase, was made in China. In 2024, the US imported over $10 billion worth of ceramics and home decor items from China. So, those stylish pieces around your home, likely made in China. Number 3. It is clothing and accessories. You might assume that your favorite jeans or jacket are American-made, but about 20% of all clothing imports in the US come from China. And it's not just the basic specific items like neckties, gloves, and even pantyhose. Over 50% of them are made in China. With a textile industry worth $150 billion, China's influence in the fashion industry is undeniable. So, the next time you're shopping for clothes, you might want to double-check where they're made. Number 2. Over-the-counter medications. This one might surprise you. Many of the medicines you rely on, like ibuprofen, Tylenol, and allergy pills, are made using ingredients from China. China supplies 90% of the vitamin C consumed in the US and a large portion of active pharmaceutical ingredients. Even if the pills are assembled in the US, the raw materials often come from Chinese supply chains. So, the next time you take a painkiller, it might just be powered by China. Number 1. Face masks and personal protective equipment. Since the pandemic, face masks have become a daily essential. But did you know that China produces most of the world's PPE? And 95 masks, surgical masks, and latex gloves are overwhelmingly made in Chinese factories. In 2020, China sent billions of masks to the US, and they continue to dominate PPE production today. This serves as a reminder of how much we rely on China for critical health supplies. There you have it, the top 10 everyday products Americans didn't know were made in China. From your smartphone to your face mask, China's manufacturing footprint is far-reaching. Were you surprised by any of these? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.